born in New York, Amụrụ na New York. Nothing fit hold me back, oh in New York. Hey. City of dreams, I just stand tall. From the skyscrapers to the yellow cabs, I see it all. But Igbo's in my heart, so my word counts. Abụọ, I know I'm counting the numbers. No tell me say I did do Awanagana. Got a pretty accent and mana. I have put in the work. The Igbo language is sweet. Papa is proud. Daddy, I promise, I give Papa my promise. I tell my mama, I promise, I stay steady on my purpose. Culture in my blood, Igbo flows through my veins. Amụrụ na New York, but Igbo they reign. From morning till evening, I learn Igbo, I learn Igbo. I learn Igbo, I learn Igbo. No tell me say I did do Awanagana. Got a pretty accent and manner. I have put in the work. The Igbo language is sweet. The Igbo nam yo. I give you my word. I learn Igbo. I learn Igbo. From morning till evening. I learn Igbo. I learn Igbo. From morning till evening. Tell me say I did do Awanagana. Got a pretty accent and manner. I have put in the work. Nothing will distract me in New York. Baby, biko muta Igbo. Oh daddy, I promise. I give Papa my promise. I tell mama my promise. Nothing fit distracts me for New York. Baby, biko muta Igbo. Oh daddy, I promise. I give Papa my promise. I tell mama my promise. Nothing that distracts me for New York. I was born in New York, Amụrụ na New York. Hey. Oh. Nothing will distract me in New York. Tell me say I did do Awanagana. Got a pretty accent and manner. I have put in the work. The Igbo language is sweet. The Igbo language is sweet.